Hello Squaddies, welcome back to another episode of LEANSQUAD TV. Today I'm going to be taking you through a quick 7-minute bodyweight workout that you can literally do every single day. And not only is this going to make you stronger, fitter, healthier, and leaner, it is also going to kickstart your motivation level, because by committing to doing this 7-minute morning routine with me every single day, you are going to see your motivation levels skyrocket. You're going to be far more inclined to eat healthier throughout the day, to stick with those healthy habits, and to stick to your exercise routine, because it's all about getting into a sustainable way of living that healthy life forever. And I'm really excited about this routine. It's only 7 minutes using just your body weight. You can literally do this anywhere in the world. Now all you need is a tiny little bit of space and a whole lot of commitment and a nice big smile on your face. So you're going to follow along with me. We're going continuous for 7 minutes. You just need to do your best, and I promise you, each and every single time you do this routine, you are going to get fitter, healthier, leaner, and more energized. The first exercise we're going to do is a mountain climber march. Feet nice and far back, core nice and tight, hands planted on the ground. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Mountain climber march. So this is what this is all about. Starting your day, I like to call it the lean way. You're getting moving, you're getting active, you're telling your body that you are going to live a healthy, happy lifestyle for the rest of the day. And I promise you this much, this routine will transform your attitude towards your health. I promise you that much. In 5 seconds, we're gonna go to a new exercise. 3, 2, 1, feet shoulder width apart, reach back, hand to toe touch. So I like to come forward, sink at the hips, and then reach nice and far back. If you can't touch that toe, I just want you to touch your knee. Otherwise, keep on rocking. This really warms up our shoulders while engaging our core, lifting that heart rate. In 10 seconds, we're gonna flip over onto our butt. This routine is about elevating your heart rate. 3, 2, 1. We got Vsip punches. So I just want you punching left and right. You can have your feet up or off the ground, but I'm punching towards the ground, really engaging my obliques, working that core. And you can see our heart rate's already started to lift. That's exactly what we want, because way too many people do low intensity exercises all the time, and that's why you don't have any motivation, because your body's not actually changing. It's not rewarding you with those endorphins either. 3, 2, 1, on your back, hands behind your butt, big scissor kicks. And that's what it all comes down to. The more you push yourself, the better your body rewards you. It gives you a huge rush of endorphins, gives you more energy, you feel happier, you feel more proud, and you need to always remind yourself that. It's not about doing or comparing yourself to other people, but it's just about pushing yourself. And when you push yourself, your body rewards you massively. 2, 1, awesome. We got 15 seconds rest, and then we're gonna stand up. So, stand up, I'll show you guys the next exercise. Hands on head, feet shoulder width apart, squat down, drive the knee across to the elbow. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. So now we're already warmed up, our muscles are loosened up, heart rate's elevated. That means our metabolism is gonna be spiked for the rest of the day. And like I said, you wanna push yourself, just 7 minutes. Give it your all for 7 minutes, and that makes a huge difference on the rest of your day. Next up, in 8 seconds, is mountain climbers. So hands on the ground, we're gonna go as fast as we can for 30. 3, 2, 1, down. Mountain climbers, feet nice and far back. Drive those knees forward. Feel it in your core. Ha. Come on. And like I said, if you have to take a break, that's okay. If you can keep on pushing, that's great. It's all about what is hard for you. And when it's hard for you, you're gonna get huge rewards. Keep pushing, keep pushing. We got Vsip crunches next. 3, 2, 1, on our butt, hands at the side, legs out, and it's just a little crunch here. Come on, 20 seconds. This one's tough. Little crunch, working obliques. Our heart rate's nice and high. Come on. In 10 seconds, we're going plank jacks. So we're gonna have our hands on the ground. 5, come on, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1, hands on the ground, feet in and out. then nice and quick. I don't want you guys holding anything back. I want you to empty the tank. If you have to take a break, that's okay. That means you're pushing it. But what you don't want to do is just take it easy. That's not how you want to start your day. You want to reinforce yourself that you're going to be able to handle any challenges that come your way. You're going to be proud. You're going to be confident. 2, 1, 15 seconds rest. Up next, you guys watch me. It's a squat and jumping jack. So everything comes in, hands go out, everything comes in nice and quick. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Come on, just 7 minutes. And if you guys haven't already seen, I've done a 7-day core lean free workout challenge, which is meant to motivate you. If you're watching this during quarantine, I've also done a 7-day, 7-minute ab challenge. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also tag me when you get this morning routine done. 5 seconds on Instagram at LEANSQUAD. 3, 2, 1, high knees. Come on, lift the knees up nice and high. Now's the time to empty the tank, really get that heart rate going. Like I said, please tag me at LEANSQUAD if you get this on Instagram, because every time you do this, you're gonna inspire someone else to wake up, start their day with this routine. And that's what this is all about. 5 seconds, we're going reverse lunges. 3, 2, 1, reverse lunge, nice and controlled. There we go. And the more people we inspire, the healthier, happier the world is really gonna be. And I think I always try and say this, you guys have the power to change the world because your friends, your family members look up to you. They trust what you're saying, and if they see the changes in you, 2, 1, hands on ground, half burpees, come on. Feet nice and far back, let's go. Come on. This is the last minute. Once your family, friends see the changes in you, they're gonna be feeling inspired. Come on, feet far back, push it. After this, we got plank hold. Here we go, squatties. Come on, drive. 8 seconds, all the way to the end. 3, 2, 1, plank hold. Last 30 seconds. And hopefully you're dripping with sweat. Your heart rate's nice and high. I know mine is. That is a good sign. You do not want to just take it easy. I promise you, that's not how you make positive changes in your life. When you push it, when you get comfortable with being uncomfortable, your body rewards you with a huge wave of endorphins. You're gonna feel great. 5 seconds, come on, hold with me. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, wow. Holy smokes. Dripping with sweat. Look at that. I'm coming in with a big old air hug. Wow, look, dripping with sweat. That was just in 7 minutes. And imagine you start your day, 7 minutes every single day with this routine. You're going to lead into a whole different level of motivation levels. You're gonna wanna eat that healthy food instead of that unhealthy processed snack. You're gonna wanna do that full workout to really get the big benefits. So keep that in mind. Start with this, get this done, especially on days you can't work out. Let it kickstart your motivation. And make sure you guys, if you like this workout, subscribe to the channel and also stay tuned for my monthly challenges. They are amazing. I motivate you every single day. Whoa, sorry, it's hard for me to breathe. All of the workouts with you. So keep your eyes peeled and follow me on Instagram. That's where a whole bunch of my recipes, a whole bunch of motivation stays. And keep spreading the leanest. Tag me, share with your friends if you love this workout. Stay tuned for more. I will see you back here for next episode of LEANSQUAD TV.